Hi, friends. Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. And as you have seen the thumbnail, this news is about Adani. Mr. Adani and several members in his company has been indicted for bribery from a grand jury in United States of America. The allegation is the bribery case is over $250 million. Yes, it's a big figure. Yesterday, since the news came up, different companies of Adani lost around 15% to 20% of its value in stocks. It is said that the value of the company reduced by 2.25 lakh crore. Okay, so it's a huge amount that investors have lost. But it is not one investor, it's a group of investors. So if you see the stock price of Adani Green, currently it is at almost 1072, and the high it had made of 3026. But during the Hindenburg report, that is in January 23, the stocks fell down till 453 rupees. Now, people who invested during that fall, they made a profit after a few months when the price went up to 1977, which is almost 400% profit. No, I'm not saying that you invest money now since the prices are down. I only want to remind the investors of Adani and the different companies that investors have invested in the Adani group that when you invested in the Adani group, you invested because Adani group had a moat, a competitive advantage, and they still have that competitive advantage. His investments are in those sectors which requires huge investments. And when huge investment is needed, they have to raise funds through different sources. Now, as an investor in Adani Group, you must have seen the competitive advantage that Mr. Gautam Adani has, his reputation in the country, his relationship with the government, the different contracts he got all across the globe. So, this is a very serious charge. I 101% agree to it. But that does not mean that he is convicted. He still has an opportunity to go and prove his innocence. Now, how he does it, he'll have to use his competitive advantage to prove his innocence. But I would say that it is too quick to take a decision right now. You have to wait and watch what is happening. Because when the Hindenburg report came out, everybody spoke the same thing. The stock bounced back to 400% profit from the bottom. So, again, this time I would say it's too early to say anything regarding the company, regarding the person. And remember, it's not only Adani Green. Adani has investment in multiple sectors like the ports, airports, FMCG sector, coal. Somebody is such a large conglomerate. There are lakhs of people who are working in different companies at senior positions. They know what is right and wrong for the company. So I think if you are an Adani investor, I think you should wait and watch. Remember why you had invested in the Adani group. Remember the competitive advantage you had. Yes, but closely keep your eye on the case and see what is happening and what Mr. Adani and the group does to maneuver themselves out of this problem. Till then, I will keep watching. If possible, I will also update on it. You also keep watching. And all I can say is keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.